मिनिस्टर साहब ने हजारों करोड़ रुपए कलेक्ट किए। स्टेट गवर्नमेंट के पास भी पैसा है, रेशन शॉप के थ्रू देने का ये, और डायरेक्ट अकाउंट होल्डर्स को जो है, क्योंकि अब 7 दिन बंद करे थे, अब इसमें बीपीएल एपीएल नहीं है। सबसे ज्यादा जो मर रहा है उन्हें मिडिल क्लास का है। गरीब आदमी तो पूछ को ले सकता है, मिडिल क्लास वाले बच्चा स्कूल में फीस भरना, फीस को पैसे नहीं, स्कूल में लग जाने वास्ते ऑटो वाले को पैसे देना, उसे पैसे नहीं, घर का किराया देने नहीं, आधा बेंगलोर पूरा खाली हो गया। तो इसके वास्ते जो है हुकूमत इंशाल्लाह का जब चीफ मिनिस्टर को मिलता उस वक्त ये इसके बारे में तफसील से बात करने के वास्ते कोशिश करूँ। तुम्हारी कुर्बानी।
I have with me former Union Minister and present MLC and senior Congress leader Mr. Saim Ibrahim here. He had called for a press conference. Nevertheless, we are going to speak to him in private to ask him certain questions. Sir, first of all, welcome to Nashima News. I want to ask you regarding this political scenario which is happening in Rajasthan. Why are all the leaders leaving Congress and that?
It is a mishandling. What I am reading from the newspapers and from the TV channels, the in-charge General Secretary of the state has not assessed the situation properly. It is there for last 3-4 months. Of course, there are only 2 factions there in Congress party, Gehlot and Pilot. They could have managed it. In Karnataka, how we have managed? In Karnataka, there are 4 groups. There are Rajasthan only 2 groups. I don't know.
You in Madhya Pradesh?
In Madhya Pradesh also, yes. This is also missing.
That youngsters are not being given a chance, like Jyotiraj Scindia, Rajesh Palit, and elder people who are overaged are taken over after Sonia Gandhi has become the president. And these youngsters have been sidelined, even Rahul Gandhi has been sidelined. One of the reasons?
See, there should be a proportionate. 40% youngster, 40% elders, 60% extra. But while giving the responsibility, experience, what Ashok Gehlot got the experience, that Pilot may not have it. Youngsters should learn to work under the elders, gain their confidence, take their experience, then they can be groomed. Without any guidelines or without any vision, you can't put youngsters suddenly. That will blast.
See, Jyotiraj Scindia.
Just that today, what happened? Jyotiraj Scindia Pilot. At the age of 26, you made them central ministers. Now they have seen the taste of power. Now they want it. Now that's where we are committing the mistakes. Before elder, we have to call the youngsters, tell them, look, he is your senior, go with them. You also share the power. Take his advice and experience. You work.
Sir, do you think that this all has been done by hand in glove with BJP leaders? Because wherever Congress is there, like in Karnataka, last time your 12 MLAs went and now today they are ministers here. Do you think any pressure is there? Or wider willing to?
Definitely, BJP will take this advantage. Anybody will take the advantage. Of the infighting, they will take the advantage and they will try to bring down the government. Why we are giving that type of situation? We have to see that, we have to intact, safeguard our party also.
There is a talk by Kapil Sibal to change the anti-defection law. He said once those who leave the party and go, they should not contest election for 5 years. Do you think it's a good move?
Yeah. Good.
So now coming back to Karnataka politics, we have been seeing from March the COVID has been going on. There has been lockdown, and yesterday the lockdown has been reopened. How do you see in these 3 months what the government has done? They had controlled the pandemic, and after that they lost it. Now we are the third largest state in Karnataka with the pandemic, and now with this reopening of lockdown, how do you see the virus to spread, and how do you see that the economy will come back? And how is the BJP government doing?
See, whether lockdown or no lockdown, that situation has gone. They could have, instead of lockdowning the whole towns, they could have locked down the airports. Number one, first, beginning, Trump to come. They allowed Trump, more than 10,000 people they came. Namaste Trump, lakhs of people. This disease has been come from China to America, America to India. And now people who are coming from outside, Middle East, Kerala is suffering because of that. My only request to the government, conduct the test, no medicine, social distancing, putting up masks, and give them healthy food through societies, ration. That is the only remedy which is available. And those who are poor people, drivers, barbers, washermen, vendors, all who are below poverty line, government must give directly amount to their account till January. Till January. Even though you have opened lockdown, but business is not there. Only 20% business is there, 80% business has gone. No money. Give the money to the people's hand. Then the money will come to the market. Then this cycle will go.
Congress has been very critical of the BJP government, whether it's the purchase of ventilators, PP kits, Siddaramaiah and D.K. Shivkumar also has been blasting. Do you see anything in that?
See, I am a member of the Public Accounts Committee.
I was going to ask you.
Yeah. Now, we have requested this to place all the records before the Public Accounts Committee. Once the records come before the committee, then I can speak. Before that, putting any aspiration from my side, it will not be nice.
So, do you think that the government has managed the pandemic? How they have managed it?
No. It is impossible. It is not in the hands of the government. It has gone. They could not manage even hospitals. They have given the numbers for ambulance and emergency beds. We are ringing, nobody is picking up. No proper answer is there. So that's why I don't think it is now public. We have to manage ourselves. It is not in the hands of this one. Don't panic. Be calm in the house. Even if your test is positive, take precautions. Have good food. Keep social distance. Definitely, many people have come cured. I don't know whether the disease is to you or me. Even testing, you will get negative. After 4 days, it may come.
Most of the doctors are.
Yes.
Now I want to ask you this question: that being you have been the representative of the not only Muslim community as a minister and whole, what as you as individual and what is the legislators doing and what is the Congress party doing and what is the Waqf board also doing? The Waqf board should play a main role.
I don't know whether Waqf board got money or not, but you have to give them food. That is important now. Education, school fees. Even a middle class person is struggling to pay the fees to the school.
But all the schools have been collecting fees. Most of the schools have collected fees.
Yeah. So government is not coming to the private schools, whatever fees reasonable is there, let the government bear it. Because school also they have to run the school. They have to give the salary.
So now coming to a very important question, Eid-ul-Azha is on August 1st, and you were the first one to write a letter to the Chief Minister Yediyurappa during Ramzan time asking for community prayers. Now that lockdown is open and prayers have been allowed, what is your take on this? Whether we should have namaz in the Eidgahs, and what about the sacrifice of the animal?
If sacrifice of animal, it is a fundamental duty.
Right.
The government last time they have allowed it, and I have written a letter. I am meeting the Chief Minister tomorrow, day after tomorrow, to urge for this. And that will there. And as far as where there is a sentimental of animal, I requested the community not to hurt their sentiment, because already the COVID had spoiled the atmosphere. Now, as far as prayers are concerned, if the government is allowing prayers in Eidgahs, keeping social distance, yes, in mosque we are doing, of course we will do it in Eidgahs also, if the government allows.
Your message?
Message is keep social distance.
No, other than Eidgah, social distance, a message to the community, my message saying that do this, follow this, otherwise.
No, see, my message to the community from right from every press briefing I am telling them, keep social distance, use mask, don't go unnecessary outside, even gathering, and keep social distancing in gathering, don't spend waste time. And number 2, have good exercise, have food. Don't fear of this one epidemic. 14 days it will be there. Thousands of people have recovered. Now, mentally we have to be prepared. Nothing will happen. If we mentally will think that we will die, definitely it will bring loss to you. Psychologically people are dying, not because of the disease. So I will request them, be brave. We have to die one day. We are not going to, nobody is permanent. So, we will maintain all these things. If it is a natural death, we will welcome it. But it should not be a suicide.
Thank you for speaking to Nation News. Mr. Asim Ibrahim was of the view that, now that pandemic is there to stay, it is up to us to take care of ourselves. We have to wear masks, have a social distancing, and should not have any fear. And coming back to the politics, he said that he being a member of the PCA committee, he will look into the matter and then only he can comment. He is meeting Chief Minister shortly to discuss various issues, including the Bakrid issue. He has requested the people to have a safe Bakrid, and animal sacrifice should be done in the slaughterhouse and read the namaz with social distance. Rizwan Asad, Nashima News.